Lovey's Fat Life here, and today we're taking a look at the Carnival Magic's Sports Square area, Serenity Deck, and we're just giving you our point of view of it.
All right, this is deck 12 aft on Carnival Magic.
If you love basketball, this is the place to be. You got 7'1" Shaq over here. You can stand beside and take a picture of him. You also got the soccer goal, so you can play soccer as well. Of course, you can't play both at the same time probably, but this is definitely a place to be if you like sports. They also have these little placards on the wall to test your knowledge of Shaq and also of Carnival. So don't hesitate to check those out as well. Hey, does your family love to play games? Hey, this is the place to be. You got mini golf, you got foosball, you got pool, you got the ropes course above you, you got a great sitting area in the middle, you got the whale tail, and over here to the left you had a little snack bar area. Definitely a cool area to hang out for the whole family and just have loads of fun. After you leave this little sports square area, we're going to walk right by the full length of the Lido Deck, let you take a look at that. Again, early in the morning, there was music playing, so we had to mute this part out. But again, get out there, get on those loungers. You can see people already out there putting their stuff out. Some people are putting it out and not being there. I don't agree with that. But then we're going to go back here to the back of the splash zone. It was not operating, so I couldn't send my son up there to slide down or anything, but give you a little bit of a view of the splash zone area. There are not many seats, but I love these seats right here where you got your kids playing on one side and you can face back at the Lido Deck. You're also facing that big screen as well, so really cool area here. Those seats go quick, so definitely want to get up there early for those seats. Here are additional great seatings with umbrellas as well. Again, not many of them, but this left side right here at the splash zone, definitely need to get there early to get those as well. But another great seating area. let's head on up these stairs and let's go check out the adult only area, the Serenity Deck. They have a couple whirlpools on the Serenity Deck. One's on this side, one's on the opposite side. But if you want to get into this whirlpool, this is the place to be with a kid-free zone. You'll notice even getting out on the Serenity Deck early in the morning, people are laying their stakes down to where they're going to stay at. I kind of did this intentionally, walking in, hoping nobody was in there, and of course they were not, but you can tell they're leaving their personal belongings here and nowhere to be seen. So I don't think you're really supposed to do that, but people do that. So you will definitely have to get up early to get one of these little clamshells out in the Serenity Deck. But they do have a nice Serenity Deck overall, in my opinion. Not quite as nice as the Carnival Sunshine, but it's not that bad. With a ship this big, though, it could seem a little small to some, but definitely great views. It was a great day this morning. Thank you for coming along with us. A tour of the Sports Square area on the Carnival Magic and also the Serenity Deck. We like both these areas. That Serenity Deck was really nice. Can seem a little bit small. Sports Square area is always pretty cool. But again, 21 and over in the Serenity Deck area. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, Lovey's Fat Life. Thank you.